Meanwhile, here's some extra credit. If you got the gesture, add the extension. And when you're doing the extension, you want to make sure that you extend it all the way through, all the way around the left, all the way around the right. So let me demonstrate things not to do. So this is not the same as a full extension. This is the full extension. This is not the same. I'm shortening on this side. I'm not extending fully, but I am extending fully on that side. So watch, short, long, shorter, longer. So that's not right either. This is not correct either, where you go long on this side, but then you shorten it on this side. Right, so this big, but not. Big, but not. You're looking for the full range of motion that you can get with that circle, going all the way around and using your shoulder as the center point for most of the rotation. You can't when it's right behind your head. And of course, if you are doing the videos in order, since you already got this one, you could do the extra credit version of that one, which extends to the right first and then the left. So this is the overhand version with the extension. This is your, again, this is just extra credit. And then, although there's many contexts for it, and then this is the underhand version. And then extra credit, and you could do this in all 4 versions. I'm just going to show it to you in this one. If you shorten your poi, so roll your hand around and pinch it, you could do the same thing that you were doing, but instead of going over your head, go over the arm, under the top of your head. And you can do those same figure 8s and practice those and practice turning with them and turning against them. And then practice moving your hand out and in and out and in. And of course, yes, I didn't demonstrate it, but you could do this with your left hand in overhand and your left hand in underhand. And you could do all of those, as well as, of course, the right hand in underhand also, which we haven't done yet.